It's really very difficult, especially inside the marriage, if the other one is hiding secrets, or what they call they're not transparent, or perhaps the other spouse doesn't know how much your spouse is earning, or there are a lot of things. In other words, there are too many secrets.
So kunin natin ang angle ng isang husband, ano? Kasi apparently ang sumulat ay isang wife, and maari ang dahilan ay unang-una ayaw lang niya ng mga extrang diskusyon, kasi parang minsan may mga situation tayo na ang feeling ng husband eh wala ka naman tiwala sa akin eh. Bakit ko naman siya kailangan i-disclose sa iyo? Or pangalawa, talagang hindi nga siya makwento at hindi siya makwenta. Kaya tuloy kahit sa finances, hindi na niya nasasabi siya. Ipinapakita na lang niya ito through action.